Got a Camry right here. Basically it's got volume up and down and mode right here. So what I got right there, the customer brought this over without any wiring, anything for me. So what I got right here, I'm looking for a steering wheel control that I'm gonna hook up. So I know this right here is the backup, the pink, and then I got gray, brown, and brown white. So brown, will say I'm gonna run the black. There's an extra black wire right where was that at? I'm telling you, they brought stuff like this. Here's a black wire right there. I'm gonna ground it to the pink one, which is pin 6. You're looking at this, you count it, 6 is pink, and then 7, 8 is 1 and 2 right there, which is the 7 is I'm gonna hook up to the brown wire, and the brown wire next to the pink, and on the top, which is you got a black, red, pink, and then brown. That would be key 2. The key 1 is opposite. It's down here on the right next to the on the red spot, on the yellow side, which is next to the third one from the yellow wire. Now you can just plug it, and like I said, that brown and white is I put it up to the 2, the key 2. So right now what you're gonna have to do, turn the key to on positions, and this is an Android system. Let's get this music down first. Coming over here, click on the home button and click on this 4 symbol clover, I think 4-leaf clover type looking. Okay, right there you're looking for steering wheel control or something, or SW steering wheel learn control. Click on that one. So what you do right now, it says begin learning. Press this button and then press this button. Oh, I got put both. Okay, press and hold this button and then push that. See that? So I got up, volume up. So volume down, press and hold that button. Oh, actually what it's saying, press this button first. Ooh, did I get it right? Yeah, I was pressing this button. Okay, press any key on the steering wheel. So now we're gonna go up. Click on that one, and then where's the forward up mode? Where the heck is that at? This is go back. Where's go? Oh, right here. I think you have to press and hold. See, once you press hold and you press this button, it works. Okay, so next one is down right here, press and hold, and then this is back, and then next one's mode, press and hold until it's green, and then press mode right there, and then we're good to go. Anything else? No, that's it. So press end learning and then finish learning. I think we're good. So we just click back home and let's see if the volume works. It works. Yeah, and then press mode. It will go to the next screen right there. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys.